The reality is, if you want to be an RVer, you either have to be really rich or you got to do the repairs yourself. So that's why we're switching out this 7-way plug. As you can see, it's corroded. It is old. It's actually not even that bad. It's only 10 years old, but it's already worn out, and I'm getting a miscommunication for the electric brakes. Right here is the junction box. You're going to follow this on the A-frame. Goes right up to the tongue. For the most part, every trailer is going to be on the A-frame, but they're going to be set up a little bit different. Some of them will have different boxes compared to this one. I honestly don't like this one. I'm probably going to switch it out the next time that I have to touch any of these wires because as you can see, they are just, it's just a bird's nest. It's actually not that bad, but it's going to look worse once I have to sit here and strip it all back and then put new wire nuts on them. We have the white, black, blue, yellow, brown right here, green, and red. I'm going to loosen up the hold down, which is going to be right here off to the left, right there. And then I'm going to pull the 7-way wire loom out. And then right here, you can actually see where a lot of the issues were coming from. Most of the wires are like that. Water and condensation got in there and it just eats up the wires. If you don't have a good ground, you're not going to have electric brakes. Same thing was like that with the blue wire, which is your electric brakes. And the same thing on the end of the plug. So here I'm just going to fish it out. It's a really tight fit, so I just kind of have to wiggle it, but it'll come out. And then you're just going to pull it out of the hooks on the A-frame, and then you're just going to feed the new one in. It's hard to do it with two hands. So what I actually found is that the one from China is way too thick, and it does not fit with the wires that are already on the trailer, the ground, power, and the electric brake from the pole. So I'm actually going to have to add a separate hole, which I just punched out right there. That's going to be for the 3 wires that are just on the standard on the trailer. And then I ran the 7-way on the top by itself, so then that way it would fit and nothing would get pinched. Now that that's all there, we're going to strip it back, make sure that we have good clean wire, and then I'm going to add some new wire nuts. And I do apologize, it was really windy, so I wasn't able to stand up my tripod to set it up. So, but I mean, it's just wire nuts. You just put all the wires together, tie them on, and then I just put electrical tape to, just because I'm paranoid like that. Here's the end result. Put it all back together. Like I said, next time I open this thing up, I'm going to be replacing it, and I'm going to put a new junction box. Put a new hole down there for the other wires. But that's the new plug on there. And as you can see, the ending is nice and clean, and it'll have a good connection. So hopefully that'll fix the brake issues. If not, then we're taking apart the brakes.